What's going on, guys? It is a Friday afternoon. Just got out of work. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully that knocking sound isn't going, or it's not driving you guys crazy from my camera. I have to like get this stuff like taped down. What I'm doing right now, real quickly, I'm gonna just open up this back. And as you can see, there's a package in here. All right, let's take a quick peek now. And the mod is some actual hardware. But this is going to be some tail light covers. Well, these actually look pretty decent, actually. Huh. I'm assuming they just go on similar, something like that. This might be the wrong case. Actually, this might be this one. Or I might have had it right the first time. I don't know yet. I have to look, but I'm actually kind of pleasantly surprised of how nice these are. These were like 25 bucks. I have to see how long they last, but they seem like they're okay. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna throw this back in there. But yeah, I'm about to just get back inside the Jeep and drive home. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm about to get inside the Jeep, drive home, and yeah, I want to install that stuff while I still have some daylight out. And also, I really want to clean out my car. It's not like super dirty, but it's been, I don't know, maybe about a month since I've had a chance to like really like clean the interior of the Jeep. And yeah, we're keeping like the roof off and like taking the doors off, stuff like that, like pollen and dust and stuff like that just gets inside here. So yeah, I kind of want to really just like clean out the Jeep and install that. And then it would be nice to get my car washed, but you know, maybe I'll do that, maybe I won't, who knows. I really should like actually do like a nice detail and like a clay barring and everything with the Jeep. But yeah, so without further ado, let's drive home. Boom. All right, so I just made it back home and I'm realizing I'm running out of daylight, which kind of sucks. I wanted to install this stuff tonight, so I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow and film. But I do want to show off the garage. Looks like Bay has cleaned out the garage and it looks absolutely beautiful inside here. Let's take a peek. It's like really nice and clean. So yeah, don't mind the fact that there's some dressers in here right now, but there's so much more room for activities. Look at that. Look at it. But yeah, we'll finish this install video up tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night because I'm actually really tired from work. But yeah, and we're gonna time travel. Alright, so this is the next day and it's bright and early. And like I said before in the last clip, I'm gonna install these parts on the Jeep. But first, look at the dogs. Look at them strutting around. So without further ado, let's get this whole process started. So here goes all of the parts. So I took this out semi yesterday, just this little piece of hardware. I don't know if there's any instructions really. It does not look like it, which that's fine. I mean, it doesn't look like it's that hard to figure out which side goes on which. You guys hear that? Our one neighbor, I call him Trucker Dan. I don't know his name. He has a second gen Cummins diesel. I swear to you, it feels like anytime I come outside, this guy is just like, I don't know what he's doing. He's like idling outside of his house, just like revving his engine. I mean, I know you have to like heat up your car and everything like that, but my goodness. And then he goes flying up the street. I swear to you, he does this like every morning. It's like a Saturday morning right now. Like, relax. Yeah. Up. Still going. Still hear him. Don't know if it's picking up on camera, but yeah, he's just like hauling it down the street. tempo. I'm assuming these go on here like this. So yeah, so I'm assuming these 4 screws, these come out, the new ones go in, and it holds it in place. There's no screws on the side, so it's just literally these 4. And I guess that's gonna hold it in place. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, the one thing that I did learn is that those little guys right there, and hopefully the camera will focus, these little white guys right there, that's meant to be a spacer in between. You gotta kind of like line this up so it'll actually go inside the holes, but when it's on, and that's not gonna make any noise, so that's good. So at least I got the first one done. It's time to do this one now. Just like that, both of them are done. Yeah guys, that's a pretty quick and easy install. And I think it looks okay. Yeah, it's something you could do for like not that expensive at all, and just make the back of your vehicle look a little bit different. So yeah, I just did that quick install video. I know I have a lot more stuff in storage for the Jeep. I know this one's a little small one, but sometimes you gotta do the small ones to help, you know, bring the whole vehicle together. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here because I'm going to go and just clean off the Jeep, and not really going to film that because it's nothing really exciting. I'm going to be just cleaning it out. But yeah guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out some other videos that I've done. I've done a ton of videos on my Jeep. I'm doing a whole bunch more. Follow me on Instagram. Go to geekswithcars.com. Have a lot of content there as well. And yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.